it's Jenna from the Cold Spring Harbor Library, and I would like to do another fun craft with you today, which is the summer reading craft, which is a toilet paper roll dragon. So the stuff you're going to need for the craft is pom-poms, medium size and mini ones, googly eyes, a little bit of paper, and this other piece of paper. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your glue, and you're going to want to glue the toilet paper roll and then wrap it around to look like that. So your dragon would be red. Next thing is it's going to end up like this. Next thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to take some glue and put it on the inner part of your dragon's mouth. Then you're going to want to take your tissue and you're going to glue it down. You can mix around the colors, you can have fun. They might want to stick together a little bit. That's okay, we're just gonna take our time. To make it stick down a little better, you can put some glue on top of it. And glue it in from the inside like that. Now you're just gonna keep on rotating your dragon. To continue. The dragon's breath. Sometimes you might need a lot of glue, so you might have to give yourself a little extra glue. And you're going to keep on rotating around the colors that you pick for its breath. That's done, you're just gonna untwist them. Check if you see any spots that you think need more. Like I found one right here that I think needs another red piece. So just gonna glue it on like so. Once that is done, you will see that you have your little dragon, and when you can blow it and go and make his little breath go far out. Now you're going to take your other pom-poms, your large ones, and put them to the further side of the dragon's mouth to represent his eyes. I'm just going to hold them down for a minute to help them settle. Next thing you're going to want to do while you're holding on to here is you're going to want to take your googly eyes. With the googly eyes, you could take them, get a little bit of glue on them, and then stick them to the pom-pom. Like this. Then you're going to want to take your two small pom-poms and glue them on for his nose. And here you go. After you're all done, you will see that you have your toilet paper roll dragon. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.